I'm up. I'm up. You like that, huh?
Nice ride.
Thanks.
How much?
Excuse me.
How much for the car?
She's not for sale.
Ik geef good day, sir.
Daisy. I lost everything. That dog was a final gift from my dying wife.
It's not what you did, son. It's who you did it to.
Nobody?
That nobody is John Wick.
You working again? No, just sorting some stuff out.
Task your crew.
How many?
As many as you have.
Hey, John. I thought I'd let myself in.
People keep asking if I'm back. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
I'm not afraid of John Wick.
Uh-huh. How good's your laundry?
No one's that good.
I thought not.
How good to see you again so soon, Mr. Wick.
I need you to do this task.
I'm not that guy anymore.
You are always that guy, John.
I can't help you.
You have no idea what's coming.
You know the rules. If you don't do this, you know the consequences.
You want a war?
The man, the myth, the legend. The contract has gone international. Somebody please get this man a gun.
Trigger finger in the eye, put a little dirt on him.
Working? Afraid so. Whoever comes, I'll kill them. I'll kill them all.
Of course you will.
Put a little dirt on him.
I'll try and do the same.
You have no idea what's coming.
Mr. Wick broke the rules. I trust you understand the repercussions if he survives. John Wick, excommunicado, is now in effect. You shouldn't be here. Nice suit.
Good to see you too. I need your help.
After this, we are less than even. There's no escape for you. The High Table wants your life.
Would you help set the mood for our new guest?
Let us begin.
Our service is still off limits to me.
What do you need?
Guns. Lots of guns.
You think you can take John Wick? You got a nasty surprise coming.
I've been looking
to meeting you for a long time. And so far, you haven't disappointed.
We can keep this up as long as you'd like. But this only ends one way.
All of this for what? Because of a puppy?
Wasn't just a puppy.